Hello all, welcome back for another video. Service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the service indicator of a BMW i8. It's a sports car. I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. When we turn the ignition off, as you can see, or press the ignition on, you'll see that the surface is due and needs to be changed. I'm going to show you how you can do that for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 400 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Use the commentary if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first of all, press or turn the ignition on. When this is turned on, we have a button over here. This button, wait for the indicator to disappear. Press this button, hold it till an indicator pops up like this, reset possible. Let go, press it again. Let go when you see perform reset. This pops up. Yes. Press and hold it again, and you'll see a timer growing and reset successful. So once again, turn or press the ignition on, wait for this to disappear, press and hold it, and wait for it to pop up. This one, press, let go, and again and again. You can reset different modules over here. Shortly press to change from module, and when it says reset possible like this one, press and hold it. Let go when the perform reset pops up. Press again and hold it, and let go when the indicator starts running. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for your time watching our videos. Take a look at our other videos, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.